Hello friends, today we will solve an integration problem, class 12 mathematics. This problem again appeared in the CBSE 2020 board examination. Find integral secant cube x dx carrying a weightage of 4 marks. Let's see how we solve this. So we will assume that I is equal to secant cube x dx, integral secant cube x dx, and we'll split it into secant x into secant square x. Now we will use the method of integration by parts. We know that integral u dv is equal to uv minus integral v du. Here u is secant x, therefore du becomes secant x tan x dx, and dv is secant square x dx, so v is tan x. We will substitute I becomes uv, u being secant x, v being tan x, secant x tan x minus integral v du. Now v is tan x and du is nothing but secant x tan x dx. So we get the expression I is equal to secant x tan x minus tan square x into secant x dx. Now we know that 1 plus tan square x is secant square x. So I becomes secant x into tan x minus integral secant square x minus 1. Instead of tan square x, we take secant square x minus 1 into secant x dx. Now this on further simplification becomes I is equal to secant x tan x minus integral secant cube x minus secant x dx. So I becomes secant x tan x minus secant cube x dx integral, minus minus becomes plus integral secant x dx. Now we know that this expression here, integral secant cube x dx, is nothing but we had assumed it to be I, so we take that I here and we move it to the LHS. It becomes I plus I 2I is equal to secant x tan x plus integral secant x dx. Now integral secant x dx, we know that is nothing but ln of secant x tan x. This is how we find that expression. I have given for your reference. Integral secant x dx, we multiply and divide by secant x plus tan x in numerator denominator. Then we assume that secant x plus tan x is u. So du will become secant x tan x, derivative of secant x, plus secant square x dx. Now we substitute du is equal to secant x tan x plus secant square x dx and u equal to secant x tan x in this expression here. We will get that the denominator is du and numerator is u. So that becomes integral du by u, and that is nothing but ln u plus c. Now u is nothing but secant x plus tan x, so we substitute that back, ln of secant x plus tan x plus c. This is how we get integral secant x dx. So we put that in this equation. We get 2I is equal to secant x tan x plus ln of secant x plus tan x plus constant of integration. We take it as c1. Now we divide the expression by 2. So I is secant x tan x by 2 plus ln of secant x plus tan x by 2 plus c1 by 2. We take it as another constant c. Therefore our final result is integral secant cube x dx is secant x tan x divided by 2 plus ln of secant x plus tan x divided by 2 plus constant of integration. This is the final answer. Friends, hope you like this video. Do subscribe to the channel Marshall's Classes. Give a thumbs up if you like this video. Thanks for watching.